Selena Gomez leans into Mabel's edgy era in Paul Andrews' biker boots for only murders in the building. Selena Gomez's latest look reflects Mabel's growing edge as the character's wardrobe takes a darker, more structured turn in season 5. Selena Gomez continued to build on her character Mabel's sleek and structured wardrobe while filming the fifth season of Only Murders in the Building in New York City on Monday. Spotted on Manhattan's Upper West Side, the actress appeared in a streamlined look centered around heeled leather boots from Paul Andrew. Selena Gomez wore the designer's biker boot, a mid-calf silhouette in black calf skin leather featuring stacked 85 mm block heels and silver A-shaped buckles at the ankles. The pull-on style is part of Paul Andrews' Season 3 collection and echoes a design she previously wore on set in May, when a similar pair was styled with a belted mini dress and teal leather outerwear. The calmed-down singer paired the shoes with black opaque tights, a grey miniskirt, and a layered black top. Over the look, she wore a snap-studded fox leather trench by AWAKE mode styled open to reveal the outfit beneath her. The coat structured with a point collar and silver tone embellishments added shape and shine, echoing the finish of the boot's signature hardware. The outfit marks another entry in Selena Gomez's recent streak of boot-forward appearances, both on and off set. In April, she was photographed filming in brown reptilian boots resembling Paris, Texas, Anza style. Off duty, she has opted for more refined pairs, including white pointed toe stilettos at Rare Beauty's Mental Health Summit in May and brown satin pumps by Rodo during a night out with her fiancé Benny Blanco last March. Costume designer Dana Covarrubias, who has led the Only Murders in the Building wardrobe since the beginning, has previously noted that Mabel's early style oversized knits vintage references reflected the character's initial nostalgia and gaudiness as the series has progressed. Covarrubias has discussed how Mabel has transitioned to more structured fashion-forward pieces. Think strong silhouettes such as statement coats and biker boots as a sort of armor. Season 5 of Only Murders in the Building started filming in May. The show is expected to be released on Hulu sometimes in the fall of 2025. Thank you for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updating news and more informations.